A major shift is beginning inside aerospace engineering. For more than a century, aircraft have been built the same way. Designers sketch a concept, factories build tools and molds, metal sheets are formed, drilled, riveted, and checked against massive jigs that fill entire assembly halls. Each change to the design takes months because the tooling must change with it. This process has shaped every airliner and every fighter jet we know, but Saab and Divergent Technologies have just revealed something that breaks from that entire history. They call it the world's first software-defined aircraft fuselage. What makes this breakthrough so important is that it treats the fuselage not as a fixed mechanical product but as a digital system that can evolve. Instead of committing to a single set of manufacturing tools, engineers create the structure in software and let algorithms search for the best possible design. Shape, weight, stress paths, and load distribution are all tuned digitally before any physical material is produced. Once the design is ready, it is built through large-scale metal, 3D printing and robotic assembly. No giant molds, no drilling templates, no fixed jigs carved into the factory floor. Saab's innovation team, known as the Rainforest, partnered with Divergent Technologies to push this concept into reality. Divergent is known for creating digitally generated vehicle structures built from printed metal nodes connected by robotic assembly systems. Saab adapted that approach to aircraft. The fuselage they produced is made from only 26 printed parts, each with complex organic geometry. These parts snap into a precise robotic assembly process that requires no custom fixtures. The entire structure is the result of a digital pipeline from start to finish. This is why Saab calls the fuselage software defined, because updating or improving the design is as simple as modifying the digital model. Engineers can change mission requirements, adjust internal volumes, alter aerodynamic surfaces, or strengthen critical load-bearing areas. They can run new simulations, update the structural algorithm, and produce a revised fuselage without waiting months for new tooling. This flexibility has never existed in aircraft manufacturing at this scale. The payoff for military aviation is profound. Building military aircraft has always required long timelines. Even small design changes had to go through extensive tooling updates. But with a software-defined structure, a new variant, a special mission configuration, or a structural improvement can move from concept to production in dramatically less time. Saab plans to fly this new fuselage in 2026 as part of an uncrewed aircraft, and that flight test will serve as a live demonstration of how quickly structural innovation can now move from digital design to the sky. For uncrewed and autonomous aircraft, this approach may completely change development speed. Mission profiles evolve rapidly, payloads change, sensors improve every year, warfare requirements shift. A software-defined fuselage allows each of those changes to be reflected in hardware almost instantly. Instead of redesigning an aircraft every 10 years, engineers could reshape structure, weight balance, and internal layout in iterative cycles measured in months. This is a completely different rhythm for defense manufacturing. The potential also extends to commercial aviation, though the path is slower because of certification requirements. Large passenger aircraft need extensive testing and regulatory approval, and additive structures must meet strict fatigue and safety standards. Even so, the foundations are now visible. Smaller regional aircraft, cargo drones, and specialized airframes can adopt this technology sooner. Over time, as reliability data grows and additive manufacturing matures, elements of software-defined structures will enter mainstream production. The broader impact is industrial. Traditional factories are built around fixed tools. Software-defined manufacturing is built around digital models, robotic cells, and printer farms that can adapt instantly to new designs. This reduces waste, increases production flexibility, and shortens development cycles. It also shifts aerospace manufacturing closer to how modern software teams operate, where rapid iteration and continuous improvement are the norm. Saab's demonstration is more than an engineering milestone, it is a preview of an industry that becomes faster, more adaptable, and more resilient. When the fuselage becomes software, the aircraft becomes an evolving system. Updates become faster, new variants become easier, and innovation becomes continuous instead of episodic. If you want to stay updated on the breakthroughs shaping the future of aviation, technology, and science, stay with Dezen. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.